If you want to change the wallpaper on Motorola Signature, you have to go to Settings. Then over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and we need to find the Personalize option. Now in here, we should be able to go ahead and tap on the lock screen in here. And now we can choose a new wallpaper, but first we need to choose one of these categories. So you can choose an image from your gallery. You can also open the Image Studio, which allows you to generate a wallpaper with the Moto AI. Also, we have a dynamic option, which allows you to have like some sort of animated wallpapers. I mean, not quite a bit, but yeah, they are animated. So if I download one of these, for example, I will show you how it looks like. There we go. So we have like a little animation going on for a quick second. And there is also the curated images where you can just find some basic images. Now in this case, I'm opening the lock screen section, and we should be able to, for example, switch to the home screen as well in case you need to, but you're looking for the more wallpapers option in here in order to find all different wallpapers that you have on your phone. Of course, we can go to on-device wallpapers, for example, or you can go, let's say, to landscapes, and then you should be able to find whatever wallpaper you want to set up on your phone. So, as an example, I'm just gonna use this one. Now, of course, we can tap in order to edit our photo as we have these prompts. We can zoom in and zoom out. We can move around with our finger. Once you are done, you can tap on this check in the upper right corner. And then we have Set as Wallpaper. Of course, we can also switch the view between the lock screen and home screen. So let's tap on Set Wallpaper. You can decide which screen should be on which screen you should apply the wallpaper, and let's tap on Set. There we go. So now if we go back to the home screen, as you can see, we have a new wallpaper. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.